Kurt Moreland, Associate Publisher with Incident Prevention. We're here at the IP Utility Safety Conference at the Carib Resort. It's been a wonderful meeting. We have with us Raymond Harris of Buckingham. Buck sponsors our keynote breakfast, which we're very thankful for. You guys have also been a long-time great advertiser. Raymond, tell us a little bit about what's new with Buckingham these days.
So we got the harness. This is our featherweight harness. It only weighs like 2.8 pounds, so it's real lightweight. We've added this anti-chafe material here. What we did was just fold it over and put a leather pad here. That way, when you're working and you raise your arms up, you don't feel this on your neck because it's anti-chafe. So apparently, if you make the harness light, you don't need a padding on your shoulders, and that padding actually adds a little width on there. So when you're working, it's always digging into your neck. So we solved that problem here. The other thing we did was this part is your torso adjustment. This torso adjustment, it doesn't have a tail, so you still move it up and down, but you don't have no flapping tail from your strap. So that's one thing we did with this harness is just make it lightweight and just pretty much easier to work with and stay working in the whole time. This right here is our buck strap. It's instead of like when you put your rubber blankets on, instead of taping your blankets up, let's say over a cutout or something, some oddball shaped thing, you can use this instead of tape. And what you do is you just put this on the rubber blanket, pull it tight, and find the closest part to put it on there, and it'll stay closed. So it'll hold your rubber blanket on the whatever you're wrapping it around. Instead of using tape, this is a good, and this is 70 kV, so you're good there. Another product is, this haven't even came out yet. This is our new buck fold knife, and it's a locking blade, and it's a bigger handle. So guys that are having rubber gloves, guys with big hands, the rubber glove, the leather's not touching your blade. We have this little tang here, and it's just a bigger handle for you to grip onto, and it'll close too. So it'll close and it'll lock open also. So this is our new knife. It's not out yet, but we'll hopefully get it out this year or next year or something like that. But prototype there. So
that sounds good, Raymond. So we got a little bit of an exclusive here on the knife, and you've got some other products here too. And of course, you've got the ox block. That's always been a standard, right?
I guess the major change, and there's always been blocks since the sailors, So the major change was from wood to metal, and now we just added this handline block and this friction bar, so you can actually let down heavy loads. And so this is just an upgrade of the old wooden block that the sailors used.
That sounds good, Raymond. Again, we really want to thank Buckingham for their participation, their regular loyal participation here at our conference. The attendees appreciate it. We appreciate it. And thanks for your time and giving us an update on what Buckingham's been up to. You guys are always working on something new.
I always listen to the linemen's thoughts and their feedback, and that's what we do the best is we listen to you guys out in the field.
And how can people get a hold of Buckingham?
Website's the easiest one. You can always look at our website, and there's a phone number and everything you can call. There's actually, when you call, you can talk to a real person. You're not talking to some machine.
Man, I'll tell you, that's valuable in this day and age. I appreciate that. Well, thanks for your time again and your support.